amount. So average this quarter we'll be doing is, I think, about 60-70 crores during this current quarter, quarter two. The revenue means payment collection shall be about 40 to 50. What we do is we are joining them in constructing critical areas in Maharashtra where operation of the other normal contractors and things are a bit difficult. Samriddhi is not the only project. There are 4 or 5 projects where we will be collaborating for next 3 years. Revenue, no, you said margin. Margin is slightly above 10%.
Okay, sir.
Have I missed anything?
No, sir, thank you. You answered my question. I have another one. How do you receive the payments? Do you receive in advance, then on milestone basis, or on completion of contract?
Normally, it is we have the milestone model. Once a particular milestone is reached, 80% of the payment is released. So it is ongoing payment. Process is ongoing. Suppose we have completed, say, 20 kilometers of the work. So for every 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers, depending on the work and bill size, we get paid. It's not advance, but we get paid very fast. So working capital is not a big problem.
Okay, sir.
Is it the right answer or you wanted something else?
No. Thank you, sir. Thank you for answering. If I have any more questions, I will join the queue again. Thank you.
Please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Kritik Bagadia, who is an investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Please go ahead.
Yeah, first of all, sir, congratulations so much on a great set of results. Most of my questions were answered. I just wanted to ask about your future plans in terms of, do we have a vision for the next 5 years? So I have 2 specific questions on that front. So if we see our revenue trajectory, it has been fantastic. So from 13 crores in FY23 to 100 crores in FY25 and probably 1,000 plus crores by FY26. Can we expect 5,000 crore revenue mark by 2030? And my second question...
I would love to do it.
No,
I'd love to top it up. More than that.
But sir, do we have that kind of a vision, or do we have that kind of a visibility as such in terms of the market opportunity that we can expect anything close to that?
Bagadia ji, let me tell you, I've not been very specific. Yes, we are working on something related to defense and other things, and 5,000 crores is just peanuts.
So can we expect more than that by 2030?
Sir, I am doing my level best to get it.
Okay, thank you so much. And my second question...
I told you, I would love to top it up. 5,000 crores is okay. If we have done this much, 5,000 crores should be, I'm not giving projection, should be in
I understand.
77 itself.
I understand.
See, there are certain other things which is personal, and for those reasons, I was not keen on growth. Once my son Chaitanya has joined, and then I have seen the response of all the investors and all, so even I love to make money. Why not?
Okay. And so my second question is that our predominant presence is in Maharashtra and some part is in outside Maharashtra.
Yes.
Do we have plans to expand in other states? If it is...
Bagadaji, I'll be really very straightforward and honest. If there is a good margin, I will definitely do it. Margins are not really very good in telecom. Moving out of Maharashtra really doesn't make any sense. If I have to just make the numbers, then no profit. I am not that kind of businessman. I'll rather go into line where there is a margin, very good margin, good challenge, and good opportunity to make big money. And we are technical guys, so we can do it. And we are in process. Please wait till the March. I'll give some really good announcement. But I am the one who will make only if I receive the paper, signed one.
I got your point, sir.
Yeah.
I got your point. And sir, just another question. In the last time's Concall, we kind of mentioned that around 40% revenue would be booked by Q1 and Q2, and the rest 60% will be spread in Q3 and Q4. This quarter, we got around 50 crores, and Q2 is generally sluggish. So, do we expect that out of those 400 crores that we are expecting?
I'm hopeful that we will cross 120 by the second quarter. But I'm hopeful. See, these numbers actually, for us, they don't make any very big significance. The reason is that I know that the 120 is not coming now. That will come in the December. That will add to the December result. So it is like this is infrastructure, so it is a slow-moving thing. And still we are growing at a very big breakneck speed.
Absolutely. So, sir, is it 50 plus 70 or 50 plus 120?
50 plus 50.
No, so you mentioned 120 crores is what you expect by Q2.
No, 50 plus 50 I guarantee. 120 is our luck. Because I cannot, see, after a certain level, I cannot pressurize my clients to make payments.
Okay.
If they delay it, then there's nothing. And till now, I have not actually missed any of the targets. So I don't want to miss the targets also.
Okay. I think most of my questions are answered. Thanks a lot, sir. And I'm really hopeful that we cross that 5,000 crore mark by 2030.
We will definitely. With you and all investors' support and blessings, we will definitely do that.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. The next question is from Prakash Israni, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah, Prakash ji. Please go ahead.
Yeah, Doshi, thank you very much for the opportunity and congratulations on the great numbers this quarter.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Can I understand if there are any upcoming projects that we have bid for either as a sole bidder or through a joint venture, and how much would we be able to win? Because we are looking at 5,000 crores.
Sir, please don't catch that particular target. No. Let us discuss up to 1,000 only.
Yeah, so basically, see, until 2026, you have said that you would come to 1,000, and I like your confidence, right, in your company, my company, right? What I'm asking about is what kind of, see, when I look at it, when I do a business, I'm looking at what kind of roads have been set up, what kind of infrastructure is being set up, right? Do we have this kind of visibility in terms of what kind of new highways have been set up? Where can we build? Where have we bid or where we are bidding? As you said, March probably we can expect some good news, right? So is this kind of something?
Okay. Let me answer first part. Yes, we have, and we are expecting good business from that. But these are the government tenders mostly, and if we get it, it's really good. But many times we don't get it, so it's okay. Our order book is not going to deplete. Our order book is what we have in our hand. As of today, till up to 1,000 crores is the solid revenue we are having. Visibility for next year will be, I would love to do 5,000, but till now I don't have anything in hand. It will take time.
Right, I completely understand.
Yes, positive. It is positive, otherwise I will not speak. Only when it is positive and achievable, then only I will talk about it, otherwise I don't.
Right. And in fact, I had another question, but you've already answered it, that I was going to ask you whether similar cable laying projects are there in other states. Why don't we enter other states? But you said that the margin is not good.
Margins are really bad, sir. Luckily, we are not stuck with the manpower and machinery and those things. We are not that heavily invested. So we are really lightweight and lucky. We operate at our own will, where the margins are good, where I can show good results to my investors and enjoy. In
Right.
place of giving bad results and explaining it. Sorry?
Right. So I'm not really thinking about our company just 1 or 2 years down the line, because we've already given FY26 guidance as well. I'm looking at our company 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line, right?
5 years, 50,000 to 100,000 crores, sir. No, we are doing. Let me. No, this I'm talking because we are working on some really deep tech defense projects. I'm just waiting for breakthrough. If God is helpful and we are lucky, we'll be doing really, really big things. Because we are in 3D printing and our 3D printing is assisted with AI. Metal 3D printing assisted with AI. A few of the investors are from IITs and they will know it, what I'm talking. So it's all we need is a small breakthrough. Yeah.
Right. I completely understand that this does take time. Business is not that something you do a product and you get an order right away, but it will take some time.
It will take time, yeah.
Something that you can expand? Yeah. Is there something that you can expand on the defense projects that you were talking about? Up to you, if you do not want to expand at this point of time, but is there something, see, there are two phases to this, right? Our company is all about EPC and laying cables and our EPC work, right?
No. So let me tell you. Our profile and things are not done in that way because I don't want our investors to get confused. We have been always a high-tech and deep-tech company only. We have taken optic fiber and EPC because that gives the volumes. If you know any of the big Tier 2, Tier 3 internet service provider, so they will know me in a different way. Ravindra Doshi is a partner of Google. He provides the Google with the peering. This is what is few years back. So we have been in deep tech. Anyone who knows internet in depth will understand what I'm talking. And from where our internet service providers make money. So that was there, but then there are times, markets and dynamics. So business dynamics has pushed me to optic fiber and construction, EPC, because that makes big money. Having a very good technology but not making money doesn't work. So this is how we have come here. But yes, we are always in deep tech, and whatever figures I have given, that will happen, you see. Because India needs it now. Because of Ukraine war and other things, there is a acute shortage of spares for our defense machineries.
Right.
And that is the void we are going to fill in.
Right. So is there something that you can talk about it now in terms of defense, or you need some time?
No, sir. I have my presentations, things, and then samplings and things ready. We are approaching different agencies, and I am hopeful before December we will have some breakthrough. Because they are in dire need. Otherwise, entering defense is lifetime.
But
in
what kind of
India.
products are you looking at? Is it like something related to
So
radar?
I'll just give you example. This is what is in dire need by Indian Air Force is the turbofans blades.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one. Here we have technology that if we have a sample in hand, we can analyze the sample and we can regenerate with micron precision. Same thing. So that is see, they may not take critical ones because there are licensing and other problems and other things are there. But there are other hundreds of spares which they need and they don't get. Something is made of aluminum alloys, something is made of cobalt alloys, something is made of titanium alloys, something of steel. All those things can be created here. And the two we will be able to. Yes, sir. Sir, come have a tea with me.
Yeah, so basically, that helps our Make in India campaign as well, right? We as Indians should be proud of what we are making in India and what we are providing to our own Air Force, right? So that we should be proud of it, in fact.
I'm honest, sir. This is just I've given an example of Air Force. This is applicable to Navy. This is applicable to our even.
So is this currently imported? That's what you're saying, and we are actually making it in India, and we are the ones who are presenting it and are able to achieve this.
Kind of. This is, sir. This is. I'll say that this is the implementation of technology, the Indian way. Whatever is not available can be regenerated.
Right. Are we looking at any tie-ups, any international tie-ups, like
Not needed, sir.
some of our defense companies, like Krishna and Vivek?
No. What we are going to do, we don't need that. We are going to do the reverse engineering.
And
if a jet engine's blade has broken and you need replacement and Russia is not able to provide, then what? You will ground the jet? No. That is what we have been doing till now. We will ground out of 30, we'll ground one, take the parts and keep others alive.
Right.
And that has also reached a critical stage right now. Now 15 out of 30 are down.
Right. But tell me one thing, sir. Is there any recruitment that you are doing in this kind of expertise? Any new independent directors coming in? Anybody who understands?
Yes. The process is on.
You and your son.
No. With the last meeting, okay. That was not a meeting available to everyone. We have already announced in last meeting where I announced the results that we are taking a new CTO, new CFO, and new CEO. Plus, for AI, we are taking new manpower. But AI, I don't want to make any announcements. It is for the in-house use. It is for the improving designs. We are not developing any AI. We are using AI.
Right. Understood.
Explaining over call is a bit difficult. So, you have to come and give time, have tea. I'll be able to explain exactly what we do. Yeah.
I'm actually located overseas, so probably I will.
Oh, okay. I'm so sorry.
I understand this better.
But then we will do a video call.
Yeah, we could do a video call. Yeah. Thank you very much for the clarity and wish you all the very best. Not just your company, it's our company. So wish you all the very best and wish you all the very best.
Thanks for the love and affection, sir. That is I feel like growing more because of all the investors' affection.
Thank you.
Sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to time constraint, may we request participants to limit their questions to one or two per person. Should you have a follow-up question, we would request you to rejoin the queue. Thank you. The next question is from the line of Swami CA, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Swamiji, please.
Sir, congratulations for the great set of numbers.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Sir, my all questions are, I need 26. You are telling that we will reach 1,000 crore.
Yes, sir.
For that, how much working capital is needed, sir? And how we will raise that capital?
Sir, we'll take that decision in March.
Okay.
This March, yeah. 25 March. Because right now it is bit... Sorry?
Is there any estimation for that?
Not till now.
Okay.
That will go for that in the December. So my team will prepare what I need and what it is.
Okay, sir. My all questions are answered. Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of K. Rajesh, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity. Sir?
Yeah. Rajesh, please go ahead.
Sir, really congratulations, sir, for giving great set of numbers.
Thank you.
Sir, we are expecting very good numbers in Q3 and Q4. Sir, I am retired Air Force personnel. So I know that what is the shortage in Air Force regarding the space and these things. So while working, we used to face these things because whatever aircraft we are getting from other countries, we get aircraft, but later for space we need to procure from other countries. So it takes a lot of time. So it consumes a lot of time. So the aircraft used to be lie down without any servicing. So we used to wait for months for the space.
Correct, sir.
So we really face this problem, sir, in my 10 years of time. So it's a really great opportunity, sir. If we really get those kind of tools procured from India only.
Yes, sir. I'll explain what we are doing, and if you can add or help, that will be welcome. So what we do is 3D metal printing. That is done with 100% density.
Okay.
Laser metal.
Okay.
And then the near net shape we get, and then there's a machining, CNC machining involved in it. And then we get the accurate micron level accuracy. And because it is mostly printed from wires, so we can get the wires of the exact specification which is needed. Now it is only if I think you will be aware of 3D printing.
Yes, sir.
3D printing is done layer by layer. Now here we use AI to change the orientation of layers and make it in a way that it will achieve better crystal structure or better strength than the original one also, which are produced normally by molding. So this is our goal, and that we are making our presentations with all agencies, DRDO and all, and we are hopeful that we will get a breakthrough.
Damn sure, sir. Sure, I think. Sir, we are expecting more than 100 crore revenue in Q3 and Q4. Am I right, sir?
It is normal. My line is such that it is normally like that.
Okay.
And we have elections and all those things in Q3. So
sir,
maybe slightly slow.
Okay, slow.
Sorry?
Okay.
No, it doesn't make any difference to us who is in government. But then still, government process is slow.
Yes. Sir, in soon I would like to meet you in office.
Please. See, just give me a ring and confirm that I am in office, because project is on. So 2 days a week I am on the field.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. My all questions are out.
And you're welcome. You can guide me.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir. All right.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Krishna Yoga, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Krishna.
Congrats for the good numbers and thank you for the opportunity.
Yeah.
Sir, my question is a little bit particular toward the Samruddhi Marg project.
Yes.
Since we started our work in 27th of June, so I feel the revenue is not generated anything in this present quarter from the Samruddhi Marg, right?
Sir, this is 700 kilometers into 2. So 1400 kilometers project, and 27 June when we started, it started raining on the same day heavily. So we could finish our scanning. So wherever we are going to do the trenching work and laying the cable, we have to scan the ground under. 2 meters, we do the scanning. So scanning work is over. Hopefully by month end we'll start digging.
Okay. Because sir, in the last call, I remember you mentioned that the fund will be released only once you've done like a minimum 100 kilometers of.
Yes, 100. Yeah. That is true. That is why I am projecting revenue in this quarter.
Okay.
This quarter will generate the revenue either from construction or from leasing. It will be construction. Leasing will not happen that fast.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Because telecom companies don't have funds.
Yeah, got it, sir. Completely agree.
Yeah.
And the previous question you were telling about the 5,000 poles to be installed from your company, that is completely not calculated in the revenue position what you are giving for the 1,000 crore target or maybe the 300 target?
Yes, sir. That is true. It is completely not calculated.
Okay. Yeah, that's it, sir. And the remaining questions are completely answered. And thank you so much, sir, for explaining very briefly about the company's growth and your internal things what you are doing. We are lucky investors to be part of your core digital company growth.
No, you are welcome, sir. Core digital is there because you people are there.
Yeah. Thanks a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the last question for today. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Ganesh from Kiran Advisors for closing comments.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Core Digital Limited. If you have any queries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisors.com. Once again, thank you everyone for joining the conference call.
Thank you. On behalf of Kiran Advisors, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.